going on over here?
Nothing.
We're working, Mama.
You guys fixing it?
Me and my boys are working.
Okay, it's gonna be down. Okay, write the thing down.
Careful.
Hopefully. Hopefully.
Clean it up.
Yeah, okay.
Good. Sweep it under the rug?
No.
It's a good idea.
Go away.
That's how we clean up our room.
Want me to pull this out?
I got it. Can you work on the other side for me?
Mommy, I need the towel. Hey, no.
What do you need a towel for?
To wipe all this up. And clear up.
Okay.
We are plumbers. Da, 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 da. Open that.
Mom, we joking rag. Yeah.
What do you say?
Please. I want one.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.